Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're checking out something a little different but seriously powerful if you're into printing tech, the MP5i Direct-to-Garment printer. Now, if you've ever thought about custom t-shirts, hoodies, or basically any kind of apparel printing, this is the type of machine that can really take your setup from beginner to professional. And as always, if you're interested in picking one up, I've got the link for you down in the description. So let's get into it. The MP5i is built for direct-to-garment printing, which basically means you're printing designs straight onto fabric instead of going through vinyl or transfers. It's an instant upgrade in terms of quality and workflow. The thing I noticed right away is how it's designed for efficiency. You load up your garment, set your design, and boom, it gets straight to work. No heat pressing multiple times, no extra steps. Now in terms of print quality, this thing really stands out. You're getting sharp, vibrant prints with really solid color accuracy. Dark shirts, light shirts, cotton, blends, it handles all of them with ease. And it's not just about flat prints. The MP5i gives you that smooth texture where you don't feel like you're wearing a giant sticker on your shirt. Instead, it feels like part of the fabric, which is a huge plus. Speed is another big selling point here. If you're running a business or even just doing medium volume printing, this machine is fast enough to keep up. You're not waiting forever between prints, and that can really add up if you're producing dozens of shirts in a single day. The MP5i is optimized for workflow, which means you can handle custom jobs or bulk orders without slowing down. One of the things I really like about this machine is how user-friendly it is. A lot of DTG printers can feel intimidating, especially if you're new to it, but the MP5i streamlines the process. The controls are straightforward, and maintenance isn't a nightmare. That's huge because downtime kills productivity, and the less you're fussing around with clogged nozzles or confusing settings, the more time you can actually spend printing. Connectivity and compatibility are also solid. You can run it with pretty much any standard design software, and the interface is intuitive enough for quick learning. Whether you're setting up a simple text logo or a full-color graphic with gradients and detail, the MP5i handles it without breaking a sweat. Durability is another part worth mentioning. This isn't a lightweight desktop unit. It's built for real work. The construction feels solid, and the components are made to handle long sessions. If you're serious about garment printing, you don't want something that breaks down after a few months, and this definitely feels like a printer designed to last. Now, let's talk about the actual results. This is where I think it really shines. The level of detail in the prints is impressive. You can see fine lines, small text, and gradients come through clearly. And the colors? Bold, rich, and consistent from print to print. It's not just a one-off good print. You get repeatable quality, which is critical if you're fulfilling customer orders. Of course, like with any printer, the type of garment you use matters. Pre-treatment is key for dark fabrics, and once you've got that step down, the MP5i handles the rest flawlessly. You'll find that the more you work with it, the smoother your workflow becomes, and that's when this machine really starts paying off. For small businesses, clothing brands, or even creators who want to expand into merch, this is a smart investment. Instead of outsourcing every order, you can bring production in-house. That means faster turnaround times, better control over quality, and ultimately, higher profit margins. So to sum it up, the MP5i Direct-to-Garment printer is fast, reliable, and delivers the kind of high-quality prints you'd expect from a professional-level machine. It's user-friendly enough for beginners but powerful enough for serious business use. If you've been thinking about starting or upgrading your custom apparel setup, this is definitely one to look at. And once again, if you want to grab one for yourself, I've left the link in the description so you can check it out directly. That's it for this one. I'm Tech Jake, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.